Volunteers from Ohio are helping with cleanup in Mississippi after the tornado they experienced March 24th. A group of volunteers left from Columbus today to join a team already on the ground in Rolling Fork. They are helping people find shelter and food while also connecting them with resources and information. That area was hit hard, leaving a trail of destruction and at least 25 people dead. Despite the devastation, both volunteers and survivors say they're doing their best to pick each other up.
We're seeing the best of people and what the human spirit will do for people who are in need of our help, but also gratefulness from those who are receiving the help and a real appreciation for our being here.
She also said volunteers will work hard and get to the people who need their help.